Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend your study permit in Canada along with your cooperative work permit. So suppose you are already in Canada and you have a cooperative work permit also along with your study permit. I'm going to show you how you can do this all together. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already shown you how you can create your MyCIC account. So I'm gonna include the link in the description. Once you are in the account, then you gotta start with the wizard. So you're gonna click here, apply to come to Canada. So because we haven't gone through the come to Canada wizard, so we don't have the reference code, so we're gonna start from here. So what would you like to do in Canada? So you are extending your study permit. How long you are planning? Let's say more than 6 months. This is just a sample case guys, and I'm not registered migrant consultant. This is based on my experience and knowledge. It may or may not be applicable in your case, and there could be some errors there, so you have to fill as per your situation, and this is just a guidance. Select the code that one matches on your passport. So let's go for India. So you are in Canada already. Canada. Do you have a family member who is a, let's say no, and you got to write yes if this is applicable in your case. Date of birth. So let me give a sample date of birth. 90. Okay. Jan 2. Next. Are you a green card holder? No, you are not a green card holder. What is your current immigration status? Is a student. Let's say the guy is not married. What is your province of destination? Let's say in Ontario. So the options have come. Study permit in Canada, temporary resident visa. So let's go for study permit. Click on continue. Are you gonna accompany? So let's say the guy is single, never married, so no. You also want to apply for work permit. This is very important. If you are going for cooperative work permit, yes, I wish to apply for a cooperative work permit. On which date your status expires in Canada? So let's say 2021. Oh, let's say Feb. Let's say 28. Just an example. Medical exam performed last 12 months. Let's say no, he has been in Canada. Designated country for more than 6 months. Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in your case. Yes, no, whatever. This is just a sample application. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? No, he's alone. He's not giving access to anybody. In the past 10 years, have you given? Yes, he has gone for biometrics. Will you be paying the fee? Yes, he will be paying the fee. Why he would not? Are able to make a digital copy of your documents? Yes, he will. Paying the fee online? Yes, he will. Okay, you can review all your answers here, and things when they do add up, click on continue. Now this is what it is. The document checklist has been populated. So when you are extending your study permit, letter of acceptance, passport, proof of means of financial support, digital photo, schedule 1, client information, these are optional documents, but I strongly suggest to upload them. Main document is this one, 5709, application to change condition, extend my stay or remain in Canada as a student. So if you click on the help link, you can see the details that you gotta upload. So I have already published video about this 5709 and 5257 schedule 1, so I'm not gonna include in this video. Instead I'm gonna put the links so you can go through them and you can find out what needs to be done in that case. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.